Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the RG7. So this is our 7-inch Rocky Guard. It's made out of 14 gauge cold rolled steel, and that's going to be able to be powder coated to any of the RAL colors. It's also available in a 48-ounce copper. This is primarily used for retrofit applications, though it does have some applications for new installation on asphalt shingles, though primarily it's going to be face fastened. So to go through installation briefly on a retrofit application or application where it's going to be face fastened, you would put a bead of urethane sealant underneath the guard where it's going to be placed. You would then place the guard and then fasten it with 3 of the Woodbinder screws that we would send with it. The Woodbinder screws are great for keeping water out of penetrations. The urethane underneath the guard is also going to be a secondary barrier. It's going to keep that penetration watertight. On a new application for a asphalt shingle roof, the fasteners, and in this case it's going to be roofing nails or ring-shank nails, those are going to be placed above the headlap to where it's covered by the course above. Once it's fastened through, you would then go through and lay the next layer of shingles above it, and that's going to be the waterproofing for it. If you have any questions on this product, feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number is 720-379-7756. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Thank you.